Ever wonder what the creepiest animals on Earth might be? This is no ordinary safari we embark on, as we traverse the globe in search of creatures that defy our conventional understanding of normal. The criteria, not just unusual looks, but also bizarre behaviors and habitats that make the skin crawl. From the darkest depths of the ocean to the dense jungles, we'll discover those animals that are truly the stuff of nightmares. Ready to dive into this eerie exploration? Here we go! First on our list, meet the sarpa salpa, a hallucinogenic fish. The sarpa salpa, or the Salema porgy as it's also known, is a species of sea bream, recognized for its golden stripes running along its silvery blue body. But this seemingly ordinary fish hides an extraordinary secret. When consumed, it can induce LSD-like hallucinations that can last for days, earning it the nickname, the fish that makes dreams. These hallucinogenic effects are thought to come from a compound found within the plankton and algae that the sarpa salpa feeds on. This compound accumulates in the fish's body, particularly in its head. When humans ingest this fish, this mysterious compound can trigger a psychedelic trip, often characterized by vivid and terrifying auditory and visual hallucinations. Now you might be thinking, where does this fish live, and how can I avoid it? Well, the sarpa salpa is commonly found in the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean, near the south of England, but it can also be spotted along the coasts of South Africa and Tenerife. So unless you're planning on dining on exotic fish in these regions, you're probably safe. But let's talk about the sarpa salpa's appearance. Apart from its hallucinogenic properties, this fish is known for its distinctive look. It has a slim, elongated body and a small head. Its most striking feature, though, are the golden stripes that run along its body, a beautiful sight that belies its trippy nature. Interestingly, the sarpa salpa isn't always hallucinogenic. There are cases where people have eaten it without any psychedelic effects. Scientists believe this might be due to seasonal variations in the diet of the fish, with the hallucinogenic compound being more prevalent at certain times of the year. So, there you have it, the sarpa salpa, a fish that's as fascinating as it is frightening. It's a reminder of the strange and wonderful diversity of life on our planet. A fish that can make you see things that aren't there, certainly a creepy start. Next, we have the botfly, a creature that will make your skin crawl. Our journey through the world of creepy critters takes an unsettling turn as we delve into the life of the parasitic botfly. This insect is not your typical garden variety fly. It has a life cycle that would give even the bravest among us a case of the heebie-jeebies. Let's find out why. The botfly is a master of survival, and its main weapon is parasitism. Now, parasitism might sound like a complex term, but think of it as the ultimate survival strategy. The botfly doesn't just live off another organism, it uses that organism as a nursery for its young ones. The botfly's life begins when a female lays her eggs on a host. The host can be any warm-blooded mammal, including, yes, humans. The warmth of the host's body tricks the eggs into hatching, and the larvae emerge. Here's where it gets truly skin-crawling. The botfly larvae burrow into the skin of the host, where they will live for the next several weeks. They feed off the host's tissue, growing larger and larger until they're ready to emerge. But don't be mistaken, these larvae are not silent invaders. The host can often feel them moving under their skin. Imagine feeling a slight wriggle under your skin, only to discover it's a living creature growing inside you. Once the larvae are ready, they crawl out of the host's skin, drop to the ground and pupate, transforming into adult botflies. They then fly off to find a mate and start the cycle all over again. This unique, albeit unsettling life cycle is a testament to the botfly's adaptation skills. It's a survival strategy that has allowed the species to thrive in a variety of environments, from the jungles of Central and South America to the forests of North America. A creature that lives under your skin. If that's not creepy, I don't know what is. Moving on, we find ourselves face to face with the redback spider. This creature, a native of Australia, is as fascinating as it is terrifying. Its name, the redback spider, stems from the distinctive red stripe on the back of the females, a visual warning of the potent venom they carry. The venom of a redback is a cocktail of neurotoxins, proteins, and enzymes. When bitten, victims experience intense pain, sweating, rapid heartbeats, and even hallucinations. But what's even more remarkable is the redback's immunity to its own venom. It's a trait that allows it to engage in brutal battles with others of its kind without succumbing to the deadly bite. But the redback spider's venomous bite isn't the only thing that sets it apart. It also has one of the most bizarre mating rituals in the animal kingdom. The male redback spider, in a display of ultimate sacrifice, willingly offers itself as a meal to the female during mating. This macabre dance of love and death is known as sexual cannibalism. The male, a mere quarter the size of the female, somersaults into the female's jaws during mating, presenting his abdomen as an offering. It's a grisly feast that can last for hours, but it's not without purpose. This sacrifice increases the chance of the male's genes being passed on. He essentially trades his life for the survival of his offspring. This selfless act of suicide is not a common occurrence in the animal kingdom, making the redback spider a creature of unique fascination. It defies the survival instinct that's inherent in most species, choosing instead to prioritize the continuation of its lineage over its personal survival. Such extreme behavior, coupled with its deadly venom, makes the redback spider a creature that is as captivating as it is horrifying. It's a testament to the lengths some species will go to ensure their survival and the continuation of their genes. A spider with a taste for its own kind, the redback spider certainly earns its spot on our list. Coming up next, the vampire bat, a creature as creepy as its name suggests. This nocturnal being, cloaked in the darkness of the night, harbors a diet that might make your skin crawl. You see, the vampire bat, unlike its fruit-eating cousins, feeds exclusively on blood. Yes, you heard that right, blood. It's a dietary preference so exclusive that it's earned them the title of sanguivores. Now I know what you're thinking. How does a bat go about getting this blood meal? Well, the vampire bat has a method that's as fascinating as it is eerie. These creatures are adept hunters, using their infrared sensors to detect the heat emitted by their prey's blood. Once they've found a suitable target, they employ their razor-sharp teeth to make a small incision, typically on a sleeping animal. But here's the kicker. The bat's saliva contains an anticoagulant, a substance that prevents the blood from clotting. This allows them to feed unimpeded for up to 30 minutes, lapping up their victim's blood with their tongues. But perhaps the most spine-chilling aspect of the vampire bat is its silent flight. Thanks to the special composition of their wings, they can flutter through the darkness without making a sound. This stealth, coupled with their quick and agile movements, makes them the perfect nocturnal predators. However, despite their blood-sucking tendencies, these creatures play a crucial role in the balance of our ecosystem. They help control the population of other animals and even contribute to medical advancements, with their anticoagulant saliva being studied for potential use in treating human conditions like stroke and heart disease. So, while the vampire bat may seem like a creature straight out of a horror flick, it's important to remember that even the creepiest of creatures have their place in the grand scheme of things. A bat that drinks blood, the stuff of nightmares. Wouldn't you agree? We've reached the end of our creepy creature countdown, but don't relax just yet. The journey we've embarked on has been nothing short of an eerie roller coaster ride, filled with creatures that seem straight out of a horror movie, yet they are as real as you and me. Let's take a moment to recap our spine-chilling encounters. First, we plunged into the depths to meet the hallucinogenic fish, a mind-altering marvel of the marine world. With its intoxicating effects, it blurs the line between reality and illusion, reminding us that the ocean's mysteries are far from fully explored. Next, we flew into the world of the parasitic botfly, a creature that makes the most of its short lifespan by turning other creatures into its nurseries. It's a chilling reminder that survival sometimes comes in grotesque forms. Our journey then led us to the cannibalistic redback spider, a dark testament to the ruthlessness of the animal kingdom. With its deadly mating habits, it shows us that danger can lurk even in the most intimate of moments. Finally, we swooped into the realm of the blood-sucking vampire bat. This nocturnal nightmare, despite its chilling feeding habits, serves a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. While they may give us the shivers, these creatures remind us of the incredible and often eerie diversity of life on our planet. Each creature, in its own unsettling way, highlights the adaptability and resilience of life on Earth.